Dear ZeeLancers, in today's tutorial we will learn how to activate card payment on your store for online selling and dropshipping globally. Be aware, you must have your store's terms and policies already published, including privacy policy, terms and conditions, and refund and return policy. To start process, click on the Login, enter your username and password, and press Login button. Once inside your account dashboard, click on Manage Digital Space. In the Manage Digital Space section, you will see all the slots you have purchased on the ZeeLance platform. Find your required business and click on its Website Editor button. Once the website editor is loaded properly, scroll down to the Store Configuration section where you will see the card payment option. Click the toggle to turn it on. After enabling it, you will see multiple third parties as payment gateway provider, like SafePay, Moyasar, PayPal, and Stripe. For help, you can contact a dedicated agent as a payment gateway facilitator. Click on Help. In this tutorial, we will use SafePay. Click on SafePay, which will prompt you to enter your SafePay public key and secret key. To get these keys, open a new tab in your browser and go to getsafepay.pk/login. On the SafePay dashboard, you will see two types of accounts: Sandbox account, which is your testing environment where transactions are not real, and second as Production account, which is your live account with real payment information. Sign in to your Sandbox account if you are testing, but since ZeeLance platform pre-built store are already tested is already completed and verified, to save time and speed up the onboarding process, click on Production account. Enter your email and password if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up. Enter your email, store name, and password, then click Create My Account. After completing sign-up, go to the Login section, enter your email and password, and click the Login button. Once logged in, make sure your KYC verification is completed. If it is pending, follow the onboarding process to enter your business details and contact the SafePay team to complete your KYC, as you cannot be issued the keys without verification. After verification and activation of your account by the SafePay team, click on the Developer option in your dashboard. In the Developer section, you will find your public key and secret key. Copy the public key from your SafePay product account and paste it in the public key section on the ZeeLance platform. Similarly, copy the secret key from your SafePay product account and paste it in the secret key section. Once both keys are entered, click on Save and Activate. Your SafePay account is now activated and your customers can pay for orders using their credit or debit cards. ZeeLance, make your cashless and sell anywhere in the world.